dead body, where do you think the dead body
I
start?
feel from yesterday. My friend told me about accident, and then I feel alive.
Still alive?
I don't know. Still alive. I don't know
Your prediction.
how, but
Your prediction still alive.
yeah. But I cannot imagine the power from the water.
So
Yeah.
strong, yeah.
So strong.
Yeah.
Because I'm looking on the roots, the
The
tree,
roots.
the roots. I'm looking everywhere on the roots, but cannot find.
Oh yeah.
And then that roots.
Yeah, I saw you. Yeah, like driving. How long?
Yeah,
You think the hole under the root.
yeah.
How long? How far the root you think the hole you think?
From the start to the
Yeah,
end.
to the end. How long? You think 4 meters, 1 meter?
Oh no, I think on the more longer, yeah, maybe 4 meter.
4 meter.
Yeah, 4 meter to 5. 4 to 5. But I can feel also that door after the rock.
Yeah. After the rock.
After the rock there,
Yeah.
there is too much power.
Yeah. The
We cannot
flowing
go
of the
there.
water strong, right?
Yeah, too strong. And then I can feel also that way, but too strong to go there.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. I'm very sad about, but I can. Yeah.
We appreciate
If I
it.
if I can help, I'll always.
Yeah, that's good.
Thank you so much.
You're 15.
Thank you.